In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code in the Agoda app easily. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long vacation, saving a little extra money is always a bonus, and using a promo code can help you do just that. Let's get started. First up, open your Agoda app or head to the Agoda website. For that, you'll need a stable internet connection. This will ensure that you can navigate smoothly through the website and access all its features without any hiccups. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to sign in. If you haven't logged in yet, click on Sign In. Here, you'll find a convenient option to sign in with Google. Use it to quickly access your account without the hassle of entering passwords. Now that you're signed in, make your way to the Agoda homepage. From here, you'll start exploring the fantastic travel deals they have to offer. If you're swamped with too many options, don't worry, because Agoda's search functionality makes it easy to narrow things down. So go ahead and click on the search button. Enter the destination where you'd like to book your hotel or flight. Agoda offers an extensive range of options, so take your time browsing and finding the perfect match for your needs. As you narrow down your choices, select the hotel or flight that fits your itinerary and budget. Once you've made your selection, it's time to proceed to the checkout page. This is where the magic happens. The place where you'll apply your promo code. It's one more step toward that discount. On the checkout page, keep an eye out for the promo code text box. This feature is usually easy to spot and is often found below the total price or in the payment section. Now enter your promo code into this box carefully. Make sure to check for any typos or spaces that shouldn't be there, as these can stop your promo from being applied correctly. After inputting the promo code, click on the apply button. If the code is valid, you should see your total amount decrease. Voila! You've successfully applied your promo code and secured additional savings on your booking. There you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can take advantage of promo codes on Agoda and get the best deals for your travels. Happy booking and enjoy your trip.